Hey people, welcome back to my page, and first and foremost, happy Mother's Day to all mothers out there, to be mothers, who are already mothers, who have entire jungle to take care of. Hope you guys are taking care of yourself as well. And the start of the today's show is my mom herself, and I am going to show you how do you layer your serums on your hair, because I had already talked in the previous video, but I do feel that showing it how it happens on real kind of a hair is the real deal. So in the video itself you can see I have sprayed some liquid over her hair because it was already almost dry. I wanted it to be a bit of a damp, and after that I layered it up with the Hyaluron range of L'Oreal and had emulsified it pretty well between the palms of my hand, and then have been taking it all generously towards the between the palms, between the strands of the hair. After which I'm going with the layer 2 of the same L'Oreal Paris different variant of hair serum, which is on a oilier take but not too oily for your hair. Then emulsifying it pretty well, and then going across the hair in sections from top to bottom, from bottom to top, whatever suits you well. And you can actually build up the layering of the serums if required, which I did in the coming video itself, and then was running my fingers all through her hand because wanted to get away with all the bits here and there possibly, and were focusing on the bottom part of the hair itself, because the hair is not in a much good condition, as you can see. As she has entire jungle to take care of, responsibilities to manage, taking care of herself just takes the back seat, which actually happens in reality with majority of the mothers. So I do believe that now taking care of yourself just happens to be at the bottommost, or maybe not even the list itself. And yeah, that is something that reality hits. This is one of the reality that I am also taking, I'm also coming across. And then after that you can see that I'm using a comb to run all through the hair itself in sections, not very tightly, because I don't want the strands to come on my hand, rather to stay there itself and to have minimum amount of damage as much as possible. Hope this helps. Bye bye, take care.